It's a pushback. It's a pushback.
Oh, I was gonna do that. Here.
See?
Yeah.
It's pushback. See, you push that lever back.
I don't understand.
That's a pushback lever. When you approach it, I haven't opened it. I just was showing you. Oh, you have to throw the block. I just heard. Pick up slowly.
Still no power there.
What?
You sure it's not the round one?
Yeah, you're. Oh, where's your transformer having a circuit? Or blowing. Oh, this. Got it. Got it fixed. Wait, you have to time out. There. Yeah, I was in the. Back up. A little bit more.
Why is it supposed to fall?
There. You have done. Open the coupler. There. That's your safety stop. You have to check your coupler.
That don't work.
No, it's a backup. On these cars, you push that lever. See that lever there?
Which one? Not the top one?
No, that little one. See that? That lever right there?
Yeah.
There. Got it.
What about, I don't need to do that one?
No.
Hey, what happened?
We're just switching out cars. Full board. Stop. You went too far.
What?
You have to use that lever. Throw the switch. You have to back in to get that coal car, remember? The hopper car. Operating section of the coal and steam unit. Stop. You have to open coupler. Ooh.
Careful. Did you just break that?
No, it's popping. We had it off earlier. That's why it's there. I'll put it on the side we're not using. I wouldn't recommend doing that.
What?
This one's stuck, the sticks. So just pick that up on that one and just drop it there. It's easier. Pull forward. Stop. You have to set it out on this track.
I gotta go down that track there now, don't I?
No, wait.
I thought you were switching it.
Throw the switch. You gotta do most of the work. Stop! Then a couple. I'm just teaching you. Just pick up.
Oh, I can see.
That's why I got these lights on it. You push those back. This one is back one. Push the lever a little
Why
bit
you guys
back.
got dogs around you? Come here, Janet, Lion.
I always just pull the engine for what I do. It's on. What I do. Oh, you got it. Now pull forward. Stop. Throw the switch.
I know, you're just so jealous. You can't help.
Back up.
I know. So.
Oh, no. Just pull forward. Pull forward. Pull forward. Stop. Uncouple that car, that's a push down. One.
Okay, which one? The train?
The caboose. It's a push down one. You just put the lever down. They're made by different brands. Once they're you recoupled. What I always do is put them. Yeah, that's good. Stop. Throw the switch. Throw that switch down there.
There she is. Oh,
Back up. Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna bite you. To get her something. Oh, now what she's gonna do? Good boy.
That's good. 2 steps. I'll just pull forward. Now you have to couple up the steel cars. Stop. Throw the switch. Back up.
Smack her.
Oh, I accidentally put it against the track.
Ooh, did you hear that?
Stop, stop, stop! That's in the track. Throw the switch. Watch it. We can only pick 3 cars. The other one. Here, back up. We can only fit about 3 cars or 2 cars. And then depends on the lane. Stop. Now you gotta uncouple your car. Actually, a little bit back up. A little bit more back. Past the white line. See the white dot? That's your fire foot. Then uncouple there.
Come on, Jenna.
Pull forward.
Lionel. That's Lionel. Come on, out.
Pull forward. Slow. Stop. Throw the switch. But throw that switch down there too. I would usually back up though. Remember, this is all recorded. I can actually watch this. Back up. Back up a little bit more. Boom. There. Now you have to look at your paperwork again. See your cars you dropped off?
Yeah.
Read which ones they are and what track they gotta go to. Spotting.
Spotting, 1 and 2. So Conway, 626692 goes to track 1.
Which one is that?
That's this car right here.
That means this one is your track 2. You have to pull out.
Which one's track?
Read the ones on there. Read the
So I
signs
gotta
on
pull out and leave this one on track 2 then. That's
No.
track 2.
That's track 2. You have to, and then you have to re-spot that car back to track 1.
Oh no, I'm just gonna use that car. I'm gonna spot him. Watch this.
Yeah. Slow. It's yard limit 5 miles an hour to 10 by visual. Though I want to say 5 miles an hour. Like visual. Stop there.
I got my power turned off on this track.
Oh. That's anyway. That's good for your stop. Which car is your track? It's
The
the
red one, or the
Jenna.
freight
Yeah.
car or race car.
No.
Whatever.
the covered hopper.
That's what it is.
No, Lionel. No, Jenna.
That thing's not working.
No.
That's a pullback.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's MTH car.
Oh, okay.
Lionel mostly are the drop down, and MTH are mostly the pullback. Stop. Pull forward. Drop that off.
I like the push downs better.
Yeah, me too. Stop. We're gonna turn that one off. And now your the big engine's now on. You have to align the switches to go into the arrival departure track.
Alright, hold on.
I'm recording everything. Actually, I think
Come here.
after this switching move, I'm actually gonna move it to you. Stop. Pull back. Stop there. See the 1 minute timer? Something before you depart, you have to build up your pressure. You have to start this.
So we gotta start the timeout timer.
Yeah, the whole one.
How do I hit it?
Hit that.
John remembers that.
You have to wait. It's Woo! Just don't have walkie-talkies yet. I'm using my phone, using our phones in the what's it called? What's that one called?
Intercom?
No, conference call.
Conference call.
Conference call.
33.
30 seconds till countdown.
And then you have to get a new work order too.
Really?
And probably when you get in your air pressure, I would definitely
She
your work
busted
order.
through the gates.
Get the work limits. Where's your track one? This is yours.
That's mine.
You have to get a work limit again. The old work limit's over.
Hey, I need to get a work. I need to get instruction.
Your timer.
Uh-oh.
I got air.
That's air pressure.
Air pressure.
So down here, that's one.
Dispatch, we need to get some orders.
Roger?
I'll just put it on.
Could we get orders to get back on some track?
Yes, you
You need a work order between Lum and Conway. Conway to Lum.
Conway alone?
Yes.
Over. You have permission.
Work limit over. Okay. I don't want to get too close.
It's on the middle track.
Conway to Lum.
Oh. Okay, now you proceed out.
Permission to leave the
Whispering,
station, please.
whispering.
You,
It's like we're in a movie. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I gotta get my other.
whoa. I turned that off.
Oh, I need to get my other.
I'm gonna turn that off.
Here's Jenna.
There's me not. Now you have to give power.
Dude, what happened to this? It's got loose.
Come here, Jenna.
What?
How'd this get loose? It's gonna break.
You have to use. That's the one I use the most. You know that?
It's alright.
You have to switch your switches.
Oh, I'm going back to
1 and 2. And you have to your
2.
2. You have. Hey, that's 1.
How do you know?
See the labels? P2, P1.
Okay.
Now back out. Back out. You have to back out into the main. The other way goes to the coal and steel branch. The coal and steel railroad. This interchange.
Tell the dispatch.
No, you
pay
got
attention
enough power.
to the power.
Stop. You got. You still have a work limit to about there. Now you gotta get a new track mark.
I had to go through all that work for that little tiny move.
Yeah.
You at least could let them looped around.
Yeah, I should think every time you get a new, I should at least get to go around the loop one time.
This time, permission to work track 1 and just to run. Just run.
Permission to run track 1.
To do.
Run, big boy, run.
Run.
Track. No, let's not say that. You got permission to run to Conway to Lum.
Come on, big boy. Okay, we'll call you Big Dog. Big Dog.
Track 1 and 2.
Run, Big Dog.
1.
Run.
2, and then 2. This I usually put 1, 2. 1, 2. You got use crossover, and then you have to line all your switches back normal. And stop it after you use it. No, you got your line.
Checking my switches. This switch needs changed.
No, I changed it
Oh,
already.
you already did that. All right.
Now I need to do my switching next. And then we're going to have the other person in the family do it for me. This is swap the dispatcher.
I'm a dispatcher. I thought I was doing really good at my dispatcher.
Stop there.
Why?
Oh, you passed too far. You gotta throw the switches there. There. See those switches?
What
Wait,
switches?
those switches, you
I
got
can't move.
these. You gotta throw
Why
those
do
back.
why do I gotta throw those?
And then you have to call the dispatcher. You forgot to throw our block. Set our block. You forgot to throw it.
Dispatch, can you please throw my block on zone 3?
Roger.
I think that's
It's thrown.
okay.
I'm still not working. Oh, there we go. Am I going backwards now?
No, going forward. You're going forward. You're working up to Lum.
Okay.
And just keep telling him to work from Conway to Lum. Just tell
I
him
know,
to
I
work
got that
on
for
track 2.
You need to figure out how to make a loop and then enter what you need to do.
Oh.
Ooh, I left my car not in the cab. See? I usually use I usually don't even use this guy. Can I have permission on track 1, work limit between Lum and Freedom to Lum?
Permission freedom on over.
Wait, I need to get my marker. Marker, where's my marker? You see my marker? Blue, grab it. Can I have the blue marker?
Please.
Work. Work limit. Lum. Watch, don't run it too fast. Lum. Whoa! Go! Slow it down! That's a little too fast for this line.
Runaway train, runaway train, runaway train.
Yeah, this is a little... No, honey! Slow it down!
I got it!
Ugh!
It's very delicate.
Yeah, that's a little too slow. Just a smidgen.
I'm getting there. I was trying to block.
Right there.
Now I got work limit. I'm gonna approach out. Wait, can you set my block? You gotta set my block.
Where? Where's the block somewhere? It's not very well laid.
Yeah. You're so low.
Okay.
Yeah, hey, and Lum here. You gotta get another track 1. You kept going past. Up here. Tell him Lum to Freedom.
Lum to freedom.
Roger. Do I need to write that down?
Yeah.
Where's my mark?
Hey, blow my whistle. Whistle's up on the big, low lever.
Where?
No, that's not his. That's his. That's his. Up on that. No, that's reverse. That's bell. You just hit the bell.
Where's the...
I just wanted that.
I like that.
Just give him slow mine down. Tell him now the track 1 to give him. The track 1 to Freedom.
Track 1 to freedom.
Track 2. Track 2.
Track 2. My goodness, he doesn't know what he's telling.
No, I just asked him. I'm on track 1. Moving down. Oh, sorry. That's good. We'll back up to about there. Actually, a little bit more. I know what I'm doing. I just think. Now, here we have to stop this time here. And actually, here you're gonna stop here. Stop. Pretty much, I want you to help me switching here. Now your turn's over anyway. You ran to me. Oops. The only thing we didn't do was the hot box.
That's alright. This is a lot to take in on your first session. We need to do more labeling on the board too, because that's confusing.
You have to uncouple me? You're my conductor. You do all the hand switching, I just run the engine.
What am I uncoupling?
The coupler.
Can't see it.
You got it.
There, go.
Actually, wait a minute, I forgot. That was too far the step. Don't you think this is pretty labeled?
That's good.
Hit the to your limits. You gotta give me your limits.
What do you mean?
Yard limits. The one that switches says yard limits.
Wait, mine don't work that good. Yard lead.
Yard lead.
Okay.
I mean, it's just I didn't have it out blue.
Yard lead.
Now, what I gotta do is put your train on that track, and then I gotta make my, why did I stop? Oh, there it goes. I don't usually operate, I usually operate this. Back up. Hopefully I can make the cup. I don't know,
That's not
low
fair.
5 boom. Uncouple the cars off of the steam engine. I went too far a step. Hey, sometimes it's not my first rodeo though. It's my first operating session with a little group, I should say, bigger group than one person and me. It's kind of more busy.
What's this doing down here? What were you doing?
You! Don't like mirror down here. And that's in the video. Only on one night. I don't drink. I'm too young. So it's John. John needs to stop doing. Sorry, we're just goofing off. Sometime we're serious, so we're trying to be funny. I'm into the operation standpoint. And they're just runners.
Well, that rule number 9, have fun, remember? That's what we're doing right now.
Oh, that works. Sometimes does this. The heck? I'm just gonna switch to your power. It's just easier.
What happened?
I just switched to your power. I'm having a problem with the main power, just main power. I don't know why. Once in a while I'll get that problem. I don't know what it is. Do you have a timer?
No, I'm waiting on you.
Now, looking like consist, train 1.
Okay, our hour session's almost over.
Oh, Mom. You have to pick these 2 cars right here and this car. We have to move this car out, put it on that track, then pick up this boxcar, then pick up that and move
Go
it around.
ahead, you do it.
Okay. I'll fast track. I'm not gonna hurry. So I'm gonna try to get it tonight with hour and 10 minutes. I said it'll at least give Mom some time to operate.
No, Mom's good without operating. It's been an hour and 10 minutes.
Why? I wanna.
It's been an hour and 5 minutes, but that's okay.
I'm gonna come back.
I feel good. I still have no understanding of how he does it. Do you?
I'm gonna break something like that's what I was asking earlier. Speaking about shit, I did speaking of it, I was gonna say what they are. To see like this right here, this is a bigger block. So I'm gonna put it here, and that's just on and off switch to put power so you can
Move
Well,
it.
yours pretty fast.
Transform. I don't know.
I don't
how they
usually
transform
operate.
one or two. I don't even remember. I really don't. I think that's the block. This is the block. There's 2 blocks. 4, 1, 2, 3. I don't remember. That's why I need to be late. And once I get everything done, I'm gonna put lights, so like when you throw that switch, it'll be like a light.
We'll have to put that car on the track.
I have to take everything out, put the plexiglass, I blow the holes, clean it, and fold it on, put all the out. This one's correct. So it'll be all the way, it's gonna be, get those, must be over there. This is right here, so. This one. So I can come
Good idea.
Another switch.
Good idea.
Now, hey mom,
You have 4 minutes left.
4 minutes, please.
I'll operate with you tomorrow.
Can you run a train?
No, I'm gonna be dispatcher.
You don't want to run a train, it's fun.
No. I did with you the
I
other day.
could throw switches, I could throw.
Nah. It's
Okay.
been almost an hour and 10 minutes. It's almost 9:30, Josh, at night.
And we started at around 8.
Right.
Can you give me
So-
9?
You know what, I'll tell you
10.
what, you do a little more reading for me tomorrow and I'll sit with you tomorrow night.
With John. I like it with John. Now pretty much.
Are we about done?
Pretty much. Ooh, sorry. Ooh, Alright. Oh, I'm controlling your remote and the same time I'm trying. I forgot your.
I hear a noise buzzing when you're doing that.
Oh,
I wanna see how the video turned out.
okay.
Here, I'll get that, bud. You're reaching over, you're knocking stuff off, okay? Let me get it for you?
I've done it too.
I can help.
What was that?
Hold it, can you hang on just 1 second?
Is the switch on right? No. You read through it back. Now, I'm just gonna run to the work till here. I'm not gonna give you a work limit. I'm just on here. Should have got a work limit. So, probably. Last thing to do is actually run one more time. Should we run one more time around?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Or do you
call
want to
it.
run another train?
No, I'm done.
Nope.
Okay, then I gotta back into Conway. Okay, again. I was just talking with him. I just backed my train here just to talk with him.
Throw the switch.
Yeah.
There. No, wrong way. There.
You throw it all away.
Okay, I'm done.
No, wait a minute. It's one more thing. There's one more
Let me
thing.
rip one?
Ah, can you fix that?
What happened?
I don't know how it's doing
Pull
that.
forward.
The car's off the track.
I know, you need more power on that track.
Can you give me a little more juice?
Yeah?
This is the last thing for
Which
the night.
one?
The one of
Oops.
oopsie doo. That does come off.
I don't understand why, I know I had that thing over there.
You broke that. Which one were you working on?